Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play music through your mic in PUBG Mobile. This process involves setting up a virtual audio cable and a software mixer to route your music directly into your game's voice chat. You'll essentially be creating a virtual microphone that broadcasts your chosen audio. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring your teammates can hear your tunes clearly and without hassle. Get ready to share your favorite tracks. First, you'll need to download and install a virtual audio cable, like VB Cable, and a software mixer, such as Voicemeeter Banana. These tools create virtual audio devices on your computer. Configure the virtual cable as your playback device for music, and then use Voicemeeter to mix that audio with your actual microphone. This setup allows you to control both your voice and music levels independently, ensuring a balanced sound experience for everyone. Once your software is configured, launch PUBG Mobile. Navigate to the in-game audio settings, specifically the voice chat input. Here, you will select your newly created virtual microphone as the primary input device. It might appear as Voicemeeter Output or a similar name. Test your setup by speaking and playing music to ensure both are transmitting correctly. Adjust the in-game microphone volume to a comfortable level for your teammates. If you encounter issues, double-check your audio device selections in both your system settings and Voicemeeter. Ensure all drivers are up to date. For optimal quality, keep your music volume moderate, too loud, and it might sound distorted or overwhelm your voice. Remember to mute your music when important callouts are needed. With a little practice, you will be sharing your favorite tracks seamlessly with your squad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.